Are you experiencing split ends, damaged hair, or you are not retaining hair length? Do you know that your hair can be growing and you will not know because you do not retain hair length? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim the edges of your hair. This will help you retain length. Our hair grows from the root, and the edges down are the oldest part of your hair, which are always weak. There is need for you to trim these edges because they cause hair breakage, and this makes your hair not to be even. It also makes your hair to look stunted. This hair trimming will also help you get rid of those split ends and your hair will come back alive. Please make sure to watch this video to the end to get all the information you will need in this hair trimming exercise. There are 4 steps I take in trimming my hair. Step 1. Divide your hair into sections. That way, it will be easy for you to walk through. Step 2. Detangle your hair with white tooth comb. Step 3. Use your detangling brush to detangle. This is to ensure it's smooth and free of tangles. But if you don't have a detangling brush, not to worry. You make use of the white tooth comb. Step 4. Do a final detangling with a fine tooth comb. This will help you identify the ends of your hair that needs to be trimmed, as you've seen in this video. As you comb through, you will feel constant resistance in some parts of your ends. Place your forefinger and middle finger in between the ends of your hair. Then gently remove the fine tooth comb. Use your scissors or hair shears to trim the ends. After trimming the ends out, apply your hair cream to keep your hair moisturized. Please make sure to trim the same volume of hair. This will make your hair to be even. I'm going to repeat this process 2 more times so you see and understand the process. Once you have mastered the process, repeat it for the rest of your hair. So guys, I'm done with this first one. I'll go ahead and twist it back. Then I'll go over to the second one. This hair trimming can be done in the salon and you can do it yourself at home. If you are doing it by yourself, you have to be very patient to avoid any mistakes. So going to the second one, I will untwist the braid and go back to the steps that I've listed before. So for this second one, I will not start from the first step. I will go over to the second step because the first step is to divide your hair into sections and I've done that already. So starting from the second step, detangle your hair with a white tooth comb. Use your detangling brush to detangle. If you don't have a detangling brush, you can skip this step and then move on to the next step. Do a final detangling with a fine tooth comb. This will help you identify the ends of your hair that needs to be trimmed. As you comb through, you will feel constant resistance in some parts of your ends. Place your forefinger and middle finger in between the ends of your hair. Then gently remove the fine tooth comb. Use your scissors or hair shears to trim the edges off. After trimming the edges off, apply your hair cream to keep your hair moisturized. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you find this video helpful. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love you all and I appreciate your efforts. Before trimming your hair, please make sure your hair is washed, and before detangling, moisten your hair with water or anything you use when detangling your hair. Do not trim dry hair or wet hair. If you detangle dry or wet hair, you will experience a lot of shedding. So the best way is to moisten your hair, and that is what I did already. I didn't want this video to be too long. That is why I did all of that before starting this video. If you have watched this video up till now, I believe you have understand the process of trimming your edges without any difficulty. Have you ever trimmed your hair by yourself, or do you go to the salon to get it trimmed? Let me know your responses in the comment section. Trimming your hair is an important hair care routine that many people with natural hair avoid, while some do not know about it, but it is necessary for you. This is because it improves the health of your hair. Now, the very big question is, when should you get to your natural hair trimmed? The truth is, so many people do not know when to actually trim their hair. So in this video, I am going to tell you the when. Number 1, you should get a trim when you experience split ends. Split ends are damaged tips or the oldest part of your hair. Split ends can occur when you manipulate your hair too much, or you often expose your hair to harsh weather conditions. Number 2, you should get a trim when you experience excessive breakage. Although some amount of breakage is normal when combing or styling your natural hair, but if you notice small coily clumps of hair falling out excessively, then you need to be ready for a trim. Trimming your natural hair has a lot of benefits. So for this video, I'm going to tell you 5 importance or 5 benefits of trimming your natural hair. Number 1, trimming helps you get rid of split ends. Number 2, trimming helps you retain length. Number 3, trimming helps you control damaged hair. Number 4, trimming promotes overall healthy hair. Number 5, trimming prevents thin ends and makes hair appear thicker. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry the video is long. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Someone might be needing it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.